Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share the story of how Mark turned $100 into $100,000. Spoiler alert, it wasn't through luck but smart investing. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First, Mark began with a high-interest savings account. It's not glamorous, but it's crucial. He set up an emergency fund with Ally Bank, making sure he had quick access to cash if needed. Think of it as his safety net. Next, Mark dipped his toes into gold. He learned that gold is a solid hedge against inflation. Since the US dollar has lost 95% of its value since 1913, gold was a smart move. Mark chose gold ETFs, specifically GLD, for its convenience. Now, onto low-cost index funds like the S&P 500. Mark knew that diversification is key. Following Warren Buffett's advice, he put a chunk of his money into index funds, enjoying an average yearly return of 7%. He used brokers like Vanguard and Fidelity for this part of his portfolio. Then, Mark explored real estate investment trusts, or REITs. This allowed him to invest in real estate without directly owning properties. He picked VGSLX, a top-performing REIT ETF. Real estate added a steady stream of dividends to his income. Feeling a bit adventurous, Mark started flipping items. He found undervalued goods like Pokemon cards and golf equipment, and resold them for a profit. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace were his playgrounds. Mark didn't stop there. He ventured into individual stocks, understanding that this required some serious research. One of his picks was Weibo, a social media giant. He spent hours analyzing fundamentals and trends before making his decisions. Of course, we can't skip over cryptocurrency. Mark was cautious but saw potential in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Despite the volatility, he allocated a small portion of his funds here and used Coinbase for trading. And lastly, for fun, Mark occasionally played the lottery. He knew the odds were slim, but hey, it's all about balance, right? Throughout his journey, Mark kept learning and adapting. He diversified, took calculated risks, and stayed patient. And now, he's on his way to turning $100 into $100,000. So, what's your investment strategy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the free stock offer in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.